Hello, my name is Lee and welcome to 1 Minute Modeling. Today we're going to be creating a tire. So first of all, let's get started by creating the plane. Once we have created the plane, we can assign the actual reference images in which we're going to be using in order to create the design of this tire. Once that has been assigned, what we can do is then create a new plane, and we're going to follow the design of this tire by extruding along the edges. Once we have the overall shape, what we can then do is we can extrude the faces to those sections that's supposed to be protruding from the actual tire. Then we can duplicate the mesh vertically in order to create a long strip. Then once we have that strip, we're then going to attach all of the vertexes together, and then we're going to use a bend modifier. The bend modifier we can change to about 360 degrees. You may need to change it a little more or a little less, so depending on the size of your model, which then you can extrude the inner parts of the tire, that is to say the section that looks as if it's popping in, and then you can let turbo smooth, and we have finished. So with that being said, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye bye for now.